I'm very excited. Finally got the doors put together. So the lower door that's going to be hidden by the tailgate is opened by a regular door handle for any RV. And the shock absorbers, I was able to get those on. And close that with any kind of regular hitch cargo lock. Works very well. Next thing is going to be a lot of sanding and painting. Another thing that I'm very excited about are these dog windows. I found these dog windows on the Amazon site. Grandson wanted a place to look out from the front, and I was looking for something circular, something strong and circular. And these are really neat. Lexan, very heavy duty. Thank you very much. Please like and leave comments. Thank you.